Hi, my old friend. Good morning to all of you again. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And thanking you for watching this video and my previous videos too. And if you benefit from analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel to get and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. And this video is making for the Monday morning coffee with Technicis video. Every Monday morning 8 a.m. is uploaded in my channel. Please follow always to get this kind of analysis, stock analysis. I going to analysis two stock, the Aditya Birla Money and FL India for a short term period, and is for 3 to 6 months. And these two stocks looking good to me. That is why I share this chart with all of you. This is the Monday morning coffee with a Technicis video, and this is the Aditya Birla Money stock, and this is the chart of the Aditya Birla Money. You will see this is the rounding bottom formation in this weekly chart, and you can see this is the cup and handle pattern is formation is occurring. This is the cup and this is the handle is occurring, and I think it's going to be very good stock for the 3 to 6 months. This is the first target of the Aditya Birla Money, 93 to 105 levels, and then 145 to 170 levels. This is the two target levels, and the stop loss is 59 at this moment. For the closing basis, stop loss will be 59. This is the Aditya Birla Money stock, and it is looking good to me for the coming weeks, for 3 to 6 months. It's looking good to me. That is why I share this chart with all of you. And another thing, I am going to analyze for educational purpose, not giving any buy or sell recommendation. If anyone wants to trade on my video, please consult with your financial advisor before taking any position, or you can analyze the chart within yourself. If any help required, write down in my comment box. I will try to help you. And if anyone wants to join my Technicis course, you can feel free to join my Technicis course also to learn the techniques and trade with technical for the maximize your profit in this market. This is the Aditya Birla Money, and now next stock is the FL India, and that stock is also looking good. That is why I share this chart with all of you. This is the FL India stock. The last week you see from the February to October is the break the range and trade above that range is the very good, and it is break with a good volume, so that is why it's also look good to me. And this is the 1750 is the next target levels, or we can say and closing basis target is below 1000 levels. So 1000 levels stop loss on a closing basis, and 1750 will be the target for the FL India at this moment of time. I don't think personally this range is going to break. on a closing basis 1190. I don't think 11,990 will not below closing levels is not going to happen. So 1750 is the first target levels for the FL India, and 1000 levels or 1150 you can save. Is your choice level, how much you take the risk and you place your stop loss. These two stocks looking good to me, and that is why I share this chart within this video of Monday morning coffee techniques. These two stocks I'm going to I'm analysis today, and hope you all benefited from my analysis. If you benefited from my analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. And if anyone wants to join my techniques course, you can feel free to join my techniques course to learn the techniques and trade with technical for the maximize your profit and make a good portfolio on based on techniques. And this is going to be make a good portfolio, I guarantee you. And thanking you for watching this video, and please follow my channel regularly. And thanking you to all of you again, my friends. Thanking you to all of you again.